I hadn't been to the back of our property for a while, so I was shocked when I came back to see this. Our lake had emptied out. The dam is right over there, broke, and all the water went out and all the fish. It's pretty sad. It reminded me of a story on the movie Fried Green Tomatoes, where Itchy tells the little story about the ducks landing on the lake, and the lake froze, and when they all took off, they took the lake with them. And here's where it broke loose. A little bit of water left. I don't know if there's any of the fish survived. We had stocked it several years ago. I'm sure they probably all went out the leakage. Sad. A view from the backside where it broke loose. Seemed like a lot of trees went. There's a couple. Guess it flooded this area for a little bit. And I know it kind of looks like a fish down there. A dead fish, but I don't know for sure. I really don't have a good way to get down there. I'm sure the coons and wild animals ate all the fish that, unless they were lucky enough to keep going and get to the creek, because the creek's on the other side of the road downhill. There had to be some really big catfish in there. And some big bass. There's always adventures around here. Sometimes they're just not very good ones. We had a lot of fun fishing here and kayaking. I don't know that we'll be able to rebuild it or whatever. It'll be pretty expensive. And we have another big stripper pit right next over here that we own up to, so we can use it. Here's the other lake that we have access to. While it's a shared lake, we'll miss our private one. But this one's got good fish in it too. Beautiful day again here in southern Indiana. A little cool, but it's supposed to get up to 60 today. I hear frogs. Happy birds. Love that frog sound. That other humming noise is the big Alcoa plant that I worked at for 16 years. Don't miss it.